Preamble. The Preamble of the Indian Constitution is a concise introductory statement that outlines the fundamental principles, aspirations, and objectives of the Constitution. It serves as the guiding philosophy and soul of the Indian Constitution. The Preamble was adopted on 26 November 1949 and has been amended only once in 1976. The text of the Preamble of the Indian Constitution is as follows. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. The Preamble reflects the core values and principles upon which the Indian Constitution is based. It highlights the commitment to justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The objectives of the Indian Constitution, as outlined in the Preamble, include ensuring social, economic, and political justice, guaranteeing freedom of thought, expression, belief, and worship, promoting equality of status and opportunity, and fostering a sense of fraternity and unity among the citizens. Thank you.